Okay, after I put soaking vinegar around here for overnight, just to stay there, to get rid of the calcium buildup, this now moves and it comes out. It was stuck there. So this can come out. This sleeve comes out, and now you can unscrew this and take the plate off. When you're doing these things, just make sure you don't drop the screw down the drain and possibly block the drain, plug it so they won't go down there. Very long screws. There you go, that's out. Now you have access to turn these nuts and undo them, and then you take the whole valve out if you need to. But if you want to repair, you can just repair from here. If you have no access, you just have to cut. There's no other option unless your bathroom is in a way that you have access from behind the wall. But in my case, there is no access from behind, so I have to actually cut to change this. That's it.